kids. What? Me and your mother are going over to the new neighbors to introduce ourselves. Yeah. And you two are watching the children, okay? Okay. Well, gotta go. Bye. Don't bring me out with you. Sorry. Wow. Okay. Oh, Graham. Oh, Iggy. Then our neighbors are gonna be here any minute. Okay. Okay. So find your spot. We need guards for the doors. Oh. Let's totally do it. Oh yeah, that would be great, Mandy. Yeah, Candy. Zoom! I'm a guard. Zoom! I'm a guard. Please. What, Jewel? Come on. I have an idea. We could watch out. You're right. We're helping Mandy. I'm sliding all over the place. We're going to be in our rooms, okay? Okay. See ya. Ow. You okay? Ouch. Yeah, I'm fine. I call this thingy. Ooh, ee, ooh, ooh, ah. Ooh, ee. Really? Kimberly? Really? What? Billy? Oh, it's nothing. Stop ranting!
Now leave me alone. Stop begging me.
I'm okay. Yeah.